Is your garage door opener angry and acting like a jerk? Then you need to watch this. Maybe not. Do these 3 things. 1. Make sure nothing is blocking the sensors. 2. Check the sensor lights. 3. Physically check sensors for movement. This was my problem. When the door flexed ever so slightly, it threw the lasers out of alignment, causing the door to malfunction and not open or close. Took some pliers, tightened it up, it's been working ever since. If you like this, check out my other video so you don't make the same $250 mistake that I made.